No, I can't. Yeah, now I can.
Okay. So it's MicroStrategy Desktop 10. Okay. This is the first
Okay.
screen of the MicroStrategy where you
Okay.
have the this is what we call as the working area or the visualization window. Okay.
Okay.
Visualization window means it is a dashboard frame. Okay. Where
This is the dashboard frame.
dashboard, yeah. It is just act
Okay.
like a frame.
Okay.
In this frame, you can add multiple visualization.
Okay.
So one visualization is one KPI. Now what is
KP.
KPI? KPI is a key performance indicator.
Okay. Keep.
Key performance indicator. You can write it down.
Okay.
And this is the usual term of representing a object of a dashboard. It's a BA term. Everybody talks that on KPI. So you need to understand this is a
Okay.
KPI.
Okay.
KPI can be anything. KPI can be a report. KPI can be a chart. It can be a graph. It can be a filter.
Okay.
So in this window, we have to create our dashboard. Say, let us go and create a dashboard called sales dashboard or say order tracking dashboard.
Order tracking.
Yeah, I'm going to create a dashboard for you. Okay.
Okay.
So you'll be
Okay.
also watching the video and doing the same practice every day.
Okay. Sure.
Hmm, I have a folder here called business intelligence inside that MicroStrategy.
Hello.
Yeah, yeah, I'm there.
Okay.
I'm creating a dashboard folder called order tracking
Okay.
dashboard. Okay.
Order tracking dashboard.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is our project name. Okay. This is going to
Okay.
be our project name called order tracking dashboard.
Okay.
Inside this dashboard, I will be creating a folder called application.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Another folder I'm
Okay.
creating called data source. In the application, we will
Okay.
keep the source code file, our MicroStrategy file, dashboard file. In the data source, we will keep our offline data sources or flat files, just like our Excels,
Okay.
CSV, Notepad, whatever the dashboard file, database file you are going to use. Okay.
Okay.
Another folder called document where we will keep all the project related documents, business requirement document, KPI document, screenshots, whatever the necessary document related to this project. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, this is data folder will keep the data, and source folder
Okay.
will keep other images or themes or any other uh, useful files. Okay, say
Okay.
images are also source for a dashboard. Okay, say you are want
Okay.
to put a logo, you need to put a icon or anything, that will be placed inside the source. Even though they are not data, but they are also source, right? They are indirectly
Right.
related to dashboards. So while you are giving a project to anyone through pen drive or anything else, you need to give the entire folder. Okay.
Okay.
If
Okay.
other folders would not be there inside it, it would be showing error. So a dashboard will be kept inside this application folder. Okay.
Okay.
Now as of now I'm creating these folders. If required, we will keep on adding any other folders. Okay, alright. Now this is my first dashboard. I will just, before doing anything, I'll just save it. Okay. So let me
Okay.
save this
Okay.
dashboard. I'm going to save it. Once you're saving, it will prompt you to save the dashboard. Okay. In the location. Say
Okay.
my location is inside live training,
Live training.
training assembly,
Training.
and order tracking dashboard and
Order
application.
tracking dashboard. Okay.
And application. Because this is a
Okay.
MicroStrategy file.
Okay.
MicroStrategy extension is MSTR. Okay. And
Okay.
MicroStrategy MSTR. So I'm giving the dashboard name as
Order tracking dashboard.
order tracking dashboard. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
The file extension will be generated as order tracking dashboard.
Okay.
Once you save
So
it,
what we get the project name, we should save the same name, right?
yes, yeah, yeah, it's up to you actually. I just given the same
Oh,
name. It's up to you.
okay, okay,
Okay.
okay, okay,
Whatever file name
okay,
is. Yeah. That's not a mandatory.
okay,
Okay. I've given the name as this. Don't mention a space. Okay. Better you either concat or give underscore. Okay. Now,
okay.
mm,
So, yeah,
now this is a visualization window, and this is what we have on the right side is called uh, visualization gallery. Okay. This is
okay, okay,
we have is called as a visualization gallery.
okay,
So we have a very basic charts 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So
yeah,
these are in MicroStrategy we have this basic 10 type of chart, but it looks 10. But if you change this property, you can generate 100 type of different charts. Okay. So 100 one by changing its property, by changing its color, by changing its internal configuration, you can generate 100 type of different type of chart. Okay.
okay,
So here it is, and this is called a editor window, and this is filter window. This is configuration or properties of the visualizations.
properties,
Now on the
okay,
left side here, this panel is called a database panel. So database panel, okay, dataset panel.
okay,
You can also make it visible and invisible. Go to view, uncheck this. Dataset panel is gone. This is called editor panel. This is editor panel, property
okay,
panel, and filter panel. This panel has three panels: editor, property,
filter
filter,
property,
and properties. Now tell me,
properties,
let me tell you what is the use of editor. Editor for a particular KPI or for a particular graph, whatever the
okay,
attributes, database attributes we need to put it, we should put it in the editor panel. Okay.
okay, okay,
In the dashboard, if you want to put any filters, you can apply that filter here.
okay.
And
So what,
yeah,
uh, yeah, what is the meaning of filter?
filter is say I have a dashboard. Say I have a report. It's a tabular
Okay,
report. I want to add some
okay,
filters like it should be so just like a drop down list. I can select a list of doctors here. I can select list of
okay,
patients. I can select list of countries, states, region. If I select a state, it will show the data of that particular state only. If I select
okay,
a particular region, it will show the data of particular region only. Okay,
okay,
that's
okay,
what the filter is.
okay,
It will filter or narrate your data.
okay.
Okay. Mm. So that's the basic understanding of the MicroStrategy desktop. Now here you can save it. This is undo, this is redo. Okay, save it.
Yeah.
Connect to database, you can connect here, add data. If you want to
Okay.
add insert a visualization, this is one visualization panel. Okay, in this particular
Okay.
panel I have one visualization called visualization 1. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
one sheet is a one dashboard. Remember, one sheet is one dashboard.
Okay.
In one sheet you can have multiple visualizations. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
so by default when you have a first screen, you should have one sheet, sheet 1 and visualization 1. If you want to add multiple visualizations, you can also insert a visualization
Add
from
a
here.
visualization. Okay.
I've just added it, click it. Now the visualization is added right here.
Okay.
Okay, visualization 1 and visualization 2. One visualization is one KPI or one chart.
Okay.
Okay, you can also rearrange it, just drag and paste it here. You can also add another visualization, say here, bring it to here.
Okay.
Okay, one, two, three visualizations. Okay, you can also do like this. It's very easy to
Okay.
reorganize. Okay, now we will connect with the data. Let us just remove these visualizations. Just have a down arrow, delete. In
Okay.
this down arrow, delete. You have thousands of property. It is look like very small, but thousands of properties are there. Okay, so keep on saving. If anything we are doing preciously, later on it should not be removed. It should not be hanged off. Okay, and okay, so our first approach is to connect with uh,
SQL.
with SQL. Okay,
Yeah.
now I'm going to
Yeah.
open a SQL Server database.
Okay.
SQL Server Management Studio. You can also have a SQL Server. You can install it.
Okay.
While installing, if you're facing any issues, tell me. I will also address it.
Okay. Sure.
I will share this data with you. You can also take a restore into your database and will same working on a same project. So we'll feel
Sure.
once you complete the training session of 15 days, you'll be having a complete share of MicroStrategy project in your hand. Okay.
Okay.
Now what is our database? Training database, DB.
Training database.
What are
Okay.
our tables? Three tables: customer, order, and order detail.
Customer order and order dates.
Okay. Order detail. Okay. What customer table holds? Customer basic
All
information.
customer. Yeah. Customer.
Order keeps the only
All
yeah,
what the customer has ordered, it keeps the.
yeah, individual order header detail. Okay, and this is order
Okay.
item detail.
Yeah.
Okay,
Item detail.
yeah. Now these three tables are the relationship, you know better it. Okay, now how
Okay.
to join, how to connect MicroStrategy with SQL Server. Let us join through it. Let us work
Okay.
on it. Today I will not go for creating any visualization. I will show you to connectivity to MicroStrategy and how to load the data from MicroStrategy to from SQL Server to MicroStrategy. Okay,
Okay.
because this part is very crucial. You need to be thorough in the data modeling. Okay, today's topic is data extraction. Okay, tomorrow we'll cover the data modeling. Day after tomorrow we'll go for visualizations. Okay, so
Okay.
though I
Okay.
shown you the visualizations, but today instantly I cannot start you, otherwise you do not understand anything.
No problem.
Okay, so here's the database panel. To connect to database for data extraction, you need to either click on here or click on here.
Okay.
So click on data, add data, and new data. So click and see how many properties are there. Okay. You can pull the data from any flat file. Here these are the examples. So file from disk. Disk means, say you have a Excel file or CSV file. Click on it, choose the file, select the file. Okay.
Okay.
Very basic
Okay.
file, you have to select it. Else go back, file from URL, import file, say from Google Doc. Okay, from Google Doc, you have HTTPS from Google Doc also, which is in Wave. You did not download it. Anybody share some file with you through Google Doc, you can also add it.
So these are all default, this URL and everything.
No, no. You once you put it, it will be blank. Just
Okay.
to give you a idea on this, you have to put this. So go to Google Doc or any Excel document anybody share it with you on Outlook .com or Google Doc or any other web FTP. You can just give its URL, web URL, and connect it. Okay, this is for your
Okay.
system physical path. This is from your URL, web URL, to access the data from a flat file source.
So
Okay.
what is the meaning of URL?
URL means, URL is your say this is a URL, gmail.com, google.com, these are the URL, right?
Oh,
Okay, say if you want
so
to,
this link.
I have a Google Drive. Okay,
Okay.
in the Google Drive I have a Excel document, database of my students. Okay, this is the database
Okay.
for me. I can simply copy this and I can simply copy this, get a shareable link and put it here,
Okay.
and I can paste it. See, it's showing the finish options.
Yeah.
Okay,
Okay.
so let us go start from the Excel report itself. Okay, Excel itself, then we will go
Okay.
on sequence. Okay, so I
Okay.
will have some Excel database also. Let us bring those Excel databases and paste it here. I have a employee table. These all tables are there. Product code. Okay, so these three tables I have, they are interrelated. Okay,
Okay.
I have a customer table, I have a product table, and I have a transaction table. What I'll do, let us just bring these three tables to a single Excel file in a spreadsheet, because if you'll have three Excel files, it would be considered as a three tables or three databases.
Okay.
Product DB. Okay, I'm giving this name is as product DB, where I'm just first copying the customer information. Control C, and I'll paste here. Table name is customer master. Okay.
Okay.
Now I'll add another sheet. Product master. I'll put it here.
Okay. Product master.
So what do you mean by master tables? Master table means
Uh,
those tables data
main.
are pre-entered to be used further by many transactions.
Sorry.
Master tables are, say, these are the pre-entered data. Those are entered
Okay.
in these master tables and to be used by many transactions.
Okay.
This is transaction table. Huh?
Yeah.
Transaction.
Transaction master.
Yeah. Okay. Now my data is good. Customer code. This is a
Okay.
field which has the relation with
Product
transaction table.
master.
No, transaction table. Customer
Oh,
code is there. Okay. So these two
oh
tables
yeah.
can be related. Now product master, product code is a unique key which is also has here. So these two informations can also be joined. So now tell me,
Okay.
customer has a relationship with transaction and product master has a relationship with transaction.
Transaction.
So three tables can be joined together.
Okay.
Okay. Now our data is good. So let us bring this data to our MicroStrategy location. Here, data folder.
Okay.
Okay. I'll also need one GIS database. I had some other data to form a mapping chart. Okay,
Okay.
I'll check that and add it later. Okay, now I've
Okay.
got this data. I need to connect to Excel and I'll prepare a small report. Add data, new data, connect to Excel or CSV or whatever you want. Okay, the flat files are like Excel, CSV, text file.
And text files. Yeah.
Yeah. Choose file. Where our database is there, you have to select here data,
Data.
product DB. Okay, choose it and
Okay.
okay. Now I've got one uh, database table, one database. Inside the Excel database, I have three tables. Okay, so
Okay.
in order to join these three tables, I need to prepare the data. Here there is an option to prepare the data,
Okay.
edit data and add more tables. Okay,
Okay.
so prepare data. Once you prepare data in the Excel file, you can see there are all
Names of the.
names of
Yeah.
the spreadsheets are visible now. Okay,
Yeah.
so if the name of the spreadsheets are visible, what I can do, I can select all these tables.
Okay.
Okay, and select. Okay, now you see the three tables are there in the database have already added. Now this is customer master. Okay,
Okay.
product master and transaction. Now you better know what is the relationship between them, right?
Okay.
Customer has a relationship with the transaction, product has the
And
relationship with
product
transaction.
has a relationship with the transaction.
Okay, how do you know
So,
how they are related? You can see here there's a
same.
link. Yeah, tell
Same.
me.
So now these three are like customer master, product master, and transaction, right? So
Yeah,
they have common attributes name like a customer, like a product code. So
customer
these
table.
three are interlinked with, yeah. These three
Perfect.
are interlinked. Any of the two are only if only two are interlinked, we can join all three or we cannot.
Perfect. So now you are getting the subject matter. So customer master has the relationship with transaction. How do you know? Because you can see the link
We have
icon here.
link.
Okay,
Yeah.
it's a
Yeah.
hyperlink icon. Okay, if you just click it, it will relate to the table with which it is got interrelated. Okay, click on this.
Okay.
See this relationship.
Yeah.
This is good now. Okay,
Yeah.
now product code, if you click on it, it will show you the relationship with transaction.
Transaction.
So how they are automatically related? We didn't do anything.
Yeah.
Are you getting an idea? MicroStrategy has an inbuilt property or feature
Okay.
of automatically relating
Okay.
a table if it finds a common column in multiple tables, right?
Right.
Now these are the common columns: prod code and cost code. Okay,
Yeah.
so that's
Yeah.
easily MicroStrategy could join it. Now
Okay.
in MicroStrategy, we are getting this in this table. These are all the fields. These are all the
Fields.
fields. Now the difference here is you can see some green icons here
Yeah.
in the fields. What is this
Yeah.
icon? What is the definition of this icon? How do you understand what type of data type of this column is?
Um,
By looking into this,
Rhombus.
square sign,
Yeah.
you can know
Okay.
that this is a character type of data.
Oh,
Okay,
okay. Okay.
this is a character type of data. This is also a character type of data. And in the product master, these three are all character type of data.
Okay.
Okay. Now,
Okay.
what about this sign in city, state, and country?
Mm,
Even
no
though they
idea.
are character type of data, but these data are physically related to any location in the earth. That's
Okay.
why they are evaluated by MicroStrategy as they are the geographic data. Say India,
Oh,
Pakistan, United States, UK,
yeah,
all
yeah.
the country names. They are physically somewhere located in the earth, right?
Yeah, yeah, right.
If they are located, they should have a unique location of individual country in the earth. You know, longitude and latitude,
Yeah,
because everybody works with the GPS right now in this world. GPS and
yeah.
navigation systems. Okay, how the navigation systems works? Navigation from one location to navigation from another locations works on
Yeah,
a basis of one unique attribute called longitude and latitude.
yeah.
Okay, longitude
Okay.
and latitude is x-axis and y-axis. There should be two columns because world, your earth is a map. Okay,
Yeah,
earth is a graph. If you represent earth is a graph, individual location of the earth is represented by a x-axis and y-axis. Okay,
okay.
so
Okay.
that x-axis is called latitude and y-axis is called
Longitude.
longitude. Okay,
Okay.
so as this country, state, cities are physically located in the earth, MicroStrategy automatically found their longitude and latitude and form these attributes to
State.
geographical attributes. Okay,
Yeah, yeah.
geographical attributes, and these are string type of data or varchar. These are also character type of data,
Okay.
and these are also the character type of data. Whereas
Yeah.
I've got these matrices. Now, what are the difference between matrix and attributes here? In particular table, you are getting two sections. One is attribute, another is matrix. What
Yeah.
is that? Attribute is
Mm,
something. See, attribute is a column normally. Even attribute and matrix both are the column of the table. But in MicroStrategy language, attribute is considered to be a dimension and matrices is considered to be a measure. Okay, now
didn't
forget
get
about
it.
the dimension and measure. To draw
Okay.
any chart or any graph, you need x-axis data and y-axis data.
Yeah.
Okay, now if I'll ask you to create a bar chart where it will represent the subject wise mark, okay, or the country wise population. Now in this question, what you find out, what data would be x-axis data and what data would be y-axis data?
So x-axis will be attributes and y is metrics.
Is matrix. So for example,
Yes.
subject is a attribute and mark is a matrix.
Metrics.
Okay,
Yeah.
so if I go to draw a chart, this is a chart.
Yeah.
You're going to draw a chart. You can see my screen, right? This
Yeah,
is
I can see.
x-axis and this is y-axis.
Okay.
And now it is 0, 0 coordinate.
Okay.
if I'll represent a bar chart, a line chart, or area chart, uh, combo chart, anything, I have to follow this concept. Okay,
Okay.
I want a state-wise population. So states should be S1, S2, S3, because these are character type of data, right?
Yes. Right.
And population would be say 100, 500, 1000, 10,000, 1 lakh,
Okay.
okay, and so on. So if your population is for state 1 is 10,000, it will be marked here. If it
Okay.
is 1000, it will be marked here. For state 3, if it is 1 lakh, it will be marked here, and it will mark here. Okay. Accordingly, your chart will be drawn. Okay.
Okay.
So for this database field is called attributes, and these are called matrices.
Matrix.
Matrices are usually the numeric data. Okay, it can be
Okay.
currency, it can be numeric integer, it can be float, it can be anything like numeric. Okay,
Okay.
whereas the attribute will be other data types like date,
Character.
your
Okay.
countries,
Name.
character, names, captions, all will be on the x-axis. Clear?
Okay. Clear.
Okay. Now I got the relationship with this. So attributes are here. These are the marks I have to find out product name wise COGS. COGS is cost of selling good. I mean selling price.
Okay.
Country wise revenue. I can get it because these two tables are related. Okay. I can get country wise
Okay.
revenue. I can get state wise revenue. I can get city wise revenue.
City
I
wise
can
revenue.
get product name wise revenue. Right?
Product name. How can you get?
Because product table is already related to transaction table, so I can also get a product name wise revenue here.
So only code is related to the transaction table, right? So
Yeah, even if it is anything is related from this table, we can
everything.
get the
Yeah.
relationship with other tables. Okay.
Okay. If anything is related to the other one, you will get entire details, entire
Yeah, from this table, from this against this
okay.
product name, through this product
Okay.
code, you can get the revenue. Against this state, through this customer code, you can get the reference of revenue of this. Say for particular state Andhra Pradesh. Okay.
Okay.
Andhra Pradesh code is something else. 123. 123 would be here, and for 123, what would be the revenue you can get from this table? Okay. From
Revenue.
Delhi. Delhi is a state. Okay. Delhi has a code called 2. So 2 would be here, and from 2, what would be the revenue you can get from here, right?
Yeah. Yeah. Right.
So this is how the relationship is made. Now
Yeah.
you can also remove unusual fields from the data model. Unusual fields means, say I have a data called this descriptions. I don't want to import
Yeah.
it. Okay, I would not want it to be there in the data model. So I can just click this, right click on
Do
this,
not even.
do not import.
Okay.
It would be removed from the table list, from this list. Now I want this date is become a string type. Okay, I want to change
Okay.
the data type of this date because it should be a date time. Okay, right click and change data type. Now yes, the data type of this date field is become a date. Even though they are captions, but they have also separate data type. So it is date. Now quantity.
Great.
quantity 120108, these are all, this is also attribute, but automatically how come it is bring to the quantity? So we have to convert it to matrix also. We can convert
Yeah.
a matrix to attribute, and attribute to matrix also. Okay,
Okay.
say
Okay.
quantity. Quantity would be attribute? No.
No, actually
Quantity is
numbers are there.
quantity. You need to find out state
Yeah.
wise quantity. You need to find out product wise quantity. So let's bring the quantity to matrix.
Matrix.
So convert to matrix.
Matrix. Yeah.
Okay. If you convert to matrix,
Okay.
this will be changed to this and bring here. Quantity would be brought to here.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, your quantity is there. Quantity is there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Top. Yeah. Yeah.
Now I need to see the quantity data type. What is the data type of quantity? Yes, it is integer. If it is an
Integer.
integer, will a quantity be attribute? No, it should be matrix. Every integer or float or numeric field would be matrix, because
Matrix.
matrix is something, a field on which a mathematical calculation can be performed.
Okay.
Okay, and
Okay.
attribute is something which can be act as a
Character.
x-axis, or which can be act as a caption of a chart.
Okay.
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 Now this was our data preparation activity today.
Okay.
In this way you need to prepare the data and you need to create the data model. So this is what we
Okay.
have called as a data model. Okay.
Okay.
Here all object view, you can also see all object view here. If you want to see all the fields of the tables listed here, you have 3 tables, and from 3 tables you have got
Yeah.
one
Um.
table is first table's details. Okay. Hello.
Yeah. Yeah. Hello.
These are the second table details, these are third table details, and the links are here, and all the matrices here. So this is a window where you can see the single informations.
Okay.
And wrangle. Wrangle is something where we can use some clauses. Say you want to remove this. Say you want to say from define the date and delete the column. Okay, you want to delete the date
Okay.
column from here. Can you hear me?
Yeah. I can hear you.
Yeah, delete this column. Date column will be removed from this. Anything you want to do, discount, discount to blank discount, fill discount. So you can apply all those conditions here.
Okay.
So data preparation is completed today. Accordingly, if you add more
Yeah.
tables, say 10 tables or 20 tables you're adding, you need to find out and clean the data like this. Okay. You need to maintain
Okay.
the relationship between the data. You need to convert the quantities, dates, perfect code. Transaction dates are the only there, and transaction activities are there. Here we have the attributes, dimensions, and here we have the relationship columns, and here it is a date, where we have 4
Okay.
matrices. So tomorrow we will
Okay.
we will bring this cube. This is called a cube. Okay. If you just finish it,
Okay.
it will be stored in a logical entity that will be called as cube. In other
Cube.
technology, it
Okay.
is called a data model. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Here we call
Cube,
as cube.
cube is also called as a schema. Schema is something the relationship between the tables. Okay.
Okay.
and multiple tables will be logically be there in a some logical entity, that is here it is called cube.
Okay.
Cube definition is is a multi-dimensional analysis cube. So I have
Okay.
multiple dimension and multiple measures.
Okay.
So here I have multiple dimensions. These are all dimensions or
Okay.
x-axes or attributes, or these are called matrices. Okay.
Matrix.
So from this we will start preparing the dashboard tomorrow. So
Okay.
somehow we got the knowledge on Excel database, how to connect it.
Yeah.
This data I got, I will prepare some few KPIs tomorrow, and also we will see how
Okay.
to connect to SQL Server.
Sure.
Okay. Okay. Thank you so
Okay.
much. Bye bye. Meet you tomorrow.
So can you send me a recording so
Yeah,
that
I
I
will. I will.
can?
I will send you. Okay. Today.
Okay.
Sure. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.